Testing the new Copilot in Word that is now available in Microsoft 365 Personal. So I've opened a Word document here. I go into Copilot and I put in a couple of instructions. Uh, Set every heading to a new page. Then add a table of contents at the beginning. Now let's see what it does. Okay, so this is my document. This is a heading. Introduction is heading, registering is heading, and then this registration timeout. Another. These are all heading level 1. So I want every level 1 heading to be a new page, and I want a table of contents. Let's see what it does. So it's sliding things up. Go on. Okay, it's building a table of contents first. But this is, we will see later that this is not the automatic TOC that we normally work with using the references options. And let's see what it tells me, what it has done so far. Seems to have created table contents, but they are not linked to the page numbers, it seems. Still taking some time. Remember, this is my Microsoft 365 personal or family edition, not business. Wow, it's doing a lot of thinking. Okay, now it says done one of 8 edits. What it does, it says each heading 1 starts on a new page. It says it inserted a page break immediately before every heading 1. Do I see that? Nope. I still see headings on the same page, multiple headings on the same page. Okay, so this is another heading 1 here. This is a heading 1. It's, you can see this normal heading 1s are still on the same pages, so this did not happen. I don't know if there was a blank page break immediately before every heading, blank one here, but this has definitely not happened. Okay, table of contents. Now let's see what the table. So this is a manual table of contents. It's just a manual one, and it says it's added a page break again, but there is no page break that I can see. And it says it can't create the automatic table of contents, which normally I would want to use. But it tells me I can create, I can get the instructions. So create a TOC type 1. Okay, TOC type 1 is like this here. If you can see, when you go to references, table of contents, and this is type 1 TOC. Okay, so let's go back to home, and I am asking it to say, okay, uh, okay, ask it to give me the instructions. Give me the instructions to create a TOC type 1. And let's see what it does here. Okay, so it says, okay, apply heading styles, go to heading styles, change the heading 1, heading 2, fine, place your cursor where the TOC should be. Okay, I can do that, I know how to do that. Okay, so this is where I want my TOC, and then I can go to references, table of contents, and say automatic table 1 here, which I get, but you can see that they point to the same page numbers. And it also says there are it doesn't of course remove the TOC that it initially created, but it just gave me the instructions which I'm already aware of for the TOC. But the main problem is, I mean, there are two major problems. This did not happen, although my said is my instruction was to create a new page, and it says it did insert a page break immediately before. That has not happened, and it added a TOC without references to page numbers. This is a manual PTOC. So this is not very useful. Even if I had to save the file, maybe if I go back into, I don't know if this requires that the file should be in OneDrive, but there was no such instruction that it won't work with OneDrive. I know for Excel it requires OneDrive, but here it says it these things, but it doesn't seem to have done them. So I'm going to try Copilot in Word and Excel again a few more times.